Hello there, fabulous. Welcome back to another Tuesday quickie. So in today's video, we're actually gonna be tinting my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be showing you how I do that in a very quick and easy way. So if you're interested in seeing how I tint my eyebrows, keep on watching. Okay guys, let's move on to showing you what the ingredients or the things that I use to tint my eyebrows are. Very simple. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this tint. It's called Refectocil, and I found it on Amazon for about $10 or $15. Not very expensive. It lasted me for so long. You only use like a little dab of it, so not even expensive, guys. You buy this thing separately. This is the oxidant, also from the same brand, Refectocil, and you actually mix this two so you can get your color achieved. The other thing we're gonna be using is just plain old Vaseline. Make sure you have some Q-tips on hand. This comes with a brush like this, a little pot where you're gonna do your mixture, and this little like spoolie looking thing that you're gonna use to mix your things together. This is to apply on your actual eyebrow, but I also have this slanted brush, so if I need something like this, I also have that on hand. You're gonna need some cotton pads and also a little bowl with water. Also have an eyebrow pencil because I'm gonna shape my eyebrows before I apply the color on there. So let's go ahead and do that first. And there you go, guys. So whatever, like, that's your preference, whatever shape you want to give to your eyebrow, it's really up to you. And the reason I like to tint my eyebrows is because, if you know, I did get microblading but after a while the color of your microblading starts fading. I explain a little bit more about why I do tint my eyebrows, and I'll link the microblading video up here for you guys. But it's just when they first do it, they tint your eyebrows, so that's why they look darker right after they do it. So you kind of have to keep up with that part, and it's just totally up to you if you want to. I like to do it. I don't think it's that hard to do it. So let me go ahead and do the next step. So the next step we're gonna do is take a little bit of the Vaseline with a Q-tip, and you're just going to protect the skin around the eyebrow, because you don't want to tint over your skin or more than what you're supposed to. So we're just gonna go ahead and that, and for me it's just really the perimeter of your eyebrow. And this makes it so the tint won't stick to your skin, and it can be easily wiped off after you're done. Okay guys, that is done. I know you can't see it because it's clear, but I put Vaseline all over the perimeter of my eyebrows, so that is set and ready. So we're gonna go ahead and mix these things now. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna take your tint, and it's like a paste, as you can see, and I'm just going to use, like, let me show it to you guys. You don't need that much at all. I'm using this much, guys. Not a lot, not a whole lot at all. I'm telling you, you don't need a lot. And then I just put it in the little bowl that it comes with, and then you're gonna add the oxidant, and you're just gonna add drops. So again, not a whole lot, and we're gonna add 15 drops to this. So this is just how I do it. All right, and 15 drops, it's in there now. And then we're just gonna mix it all together. And if it's too watery, you can always add more of your tint. So we're just gonna mix all of that together. And that's what this little spoolie thing is for. Okay, you wanna create almost like a paste-like thing. Mine is still a very little liquidy, so I'm gonna go in with the brush, because that little spoolie can only go so far. Okay, and I mixed it all together. As you can see, it's more like a paste. I'm sorry guys, I know it looks disgusting, but it is what it is. And now we're ready to apply it. It does not look as dark as you would like your eyebrows to look like, I know, but trust me, as they dry down or as the time goes on, it gets darker. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and apply it to your eyebrows. And the first thing I like to do is get this little slanted one and start at the front of the eyebrow, kind of like drawing hairs. So just like how you will do your eyebrows. So basically that's it, and then I'm going to take the brush that came with it and fill in the rest, just like you will do your eyebrows if you had some kind of paste to do your eyebrows with. Okay guys, so that's done, and if it looks a little chunky, that's okay, because you're gonna wipe it off. It doesn't have to be perfect. And now we're just gonna set the timer for 10 minutes. So we got our timer for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back, wipe this off, and then I can show you guys what the results are after that. Okay guys, so it's about to be 10 minutes. As you can see right there, I have like less than 2 minutes left, but I just wanted to show you guys how dark they look now. So yes, as the time goes on, they get super dark, but don't be scared, that's just part of the process. One thing I do wanna advise you guys, if you do get the same brand of tint, just test it out on your skin to make sure that you're not allergic to it or you're not sensitive to it before you start doing anything like that, because once you put it on your eyebrows, you kind of feel like a tingly sensation. To me, that's being normal. I don't get anything more than that, but you may want to test it out on your skin before you do anything more to your skin. So just a word of advice. Okay guys, 10 minutes are up. So let's go ahead and move on to the next step. So with your Q-tip, what you're gonna do is kind of wipe off the edges of your eyebrow, kind of where you have the Vaseline. So it really takes about a Q-tip per side. Okay, and then with the other Q-tip, you're gonna wipe off everything else. And this is where the part of the cotton pads come in. You're gonna dip it in your little bowl of lukewarm water. So just like that. And I just spilled water everywhere. That's awesome. Fantastic, Moni. Okay, and then we're gonna wipe everything off. You're just gonna pass it through the eyebrow, just like that. Just to remove the excess product until you don't have any more of the tint coming through on your cotton pad. So you can see, and I don't have anything else from the cotton pad. And that is it, guys. I mean, pretty easy, isn't it? Now my eyebrows are a little bit darker, and it takes so much less time to get ready in the morning because I just have to fill in the little areas, sparse areas where I don't really have any hair, and I'm good to go. So there you go, guys. It's super easy, super quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Please subscribe before you leave, and remember, guys, that feeling fabulous, it's all a state of mind. Bye, guys.